Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Winman Software, a tool that has become extremely popular among chartered accountants, tax professionals, and finance teams across India. Winman is known for helping users prepare tax returns, manage TDS, handle GST-related tasks, produce audit reports, and streamline CA office workflows, all inside a single integrated environment. In this video, we're going to cover everything you need to know: what Winman Software is, who it's for, the main features, the pricing, and the pros and cons. And you get to see if this is the best tax filing tool in 2025. Let's get started. Winman is not built to be a generic accounting platform. It's not trying to compete with global tools like QuickBooks or Xero. Instead, it focuses heavily, almost exclusively, on the Indian tax workflows, especially for professional chartered accountant offices. This means that everything inside Winman is tailored around how Indian tax laws work, how returns are prepared, what formats the government requires, and the exact daily tasks that tax practitioners handle. Instead of juggling multiple software tools for ITR, TDS, GST, audit reports, and balance sheets, Winman brings them all under one umbrella. So if you are a chartered accountant dealing with multiple clients, or a finance team that prepares returns regularly, Winman's big advantage is workflow coherence. You don't waste time switching tools, importing and exporting files repeatedly, or manually formatting tax documents. Winman's modules feed into each other, making the entire process smoother, faster, and more controlled. In simple terms, Winman turns the hectic, multi-step Indian tax process into a more organized, centralized experience. That's why it's become so popular, especially among chartered accountant firms that manage large client lists. Now let us talk about the main features. Income tax and ITR preparation. Winman makes preparing ITR forms easier by offering ready-made forms, built-in tax calculations, and e-filing support. It supports multiple assessment years and automates a lot of the manual work that typically goes into return preparation. TDS management and filing. Winman has a dedicated TDS module for quarterly statements like 24Q, 26Q, 27Q, and more. You can also generate Form 16 and Form 16A directly. This is especially useful for firms handling payroll, vendors, and compliance-heavy clients. GST functionality. The software includes tools for preparing GST returns, reconciling data, and generating the formats required for filing. If GST compliance is part of your workflow, then this removes a lot of the repetitive steps. Audit report and balance sheet generator. One of the standout features is how Winman helps you prepare audit reports and balance sheets using standardized templates. You can generate structured audit statements without having to start from scratch every time. And it's designed for chartered accountant offices. The software supports office-wide installations, LAN setups, and multi-user environments. This is just perfect for firms with multiple staff members that are working on different clients simultaneously. And Winman offers user support, training resources, and guides to help firms onboard quickly. Now, what is the pricing like? Winman's pricing is module-based, meaning you pay depending on what you need. There's a PDF document on the website that tells you the price of the different products. For example, the Winman Chartered Accountant ERP costs 10,540 rupees after 25% discounts, and so do the other products with their pricing. Now, what are the pros and cons of using Winman? First, the pros. It is highly specialized for Indian tax laws. It's an all-in-one tax solution. It reduces manual work, and it has an affordable entry pricing. It is great for chartered accountant offices handling large client volumes. But what about the cons? It is not fully cloud-based, and it has a learning curve for new users. The website is not user-friendly, and the performance depends on your office setup. So here's the question once again: is Winman the best tax filing tool in 2025? Well, if you are a chartered accountant, a tax consultant, or a financial professional working in India, especially if you manage multiple clients, Winman is one of the strongest tools that you can use this year. Its entire design philosophy centers around Indian tax rules, not global accounting. That specialization allows it to automate tasks that generic tools simply can't. But it's not perfect. If you need a modern cloud-first system with remote access from anywhere, Winman may not be your top choice. But if you want efficiency, accuracy, and purpose-built features, then Winman is definitely worth trying. And that's it on the review of Winman Software. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore ClearTax, Tally Prime, and Sarao Tax Office. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.